So, Miss Sarah recommended me to try the lava shell, so I'm gonna try it now. So I'm gonna try the lava shell massage. This is gonna be my first time, guys, so I'm sure we're gonna enjoy it. They massage also the clients here, so this is even at the start, it's really different.